Hey guys, Design back with my review. So today, you know it, I know it, we all know it. Today is my biggest video yet. So today I have my 31st hive slot. This is pretty good. I've also gotten the bronze star. I've been doing a lot without you guys. So it gives me plus times 1.25%. Times 1.25 container space, plus 41 white pollen, and plus 8 pollen in all. That's pretty good. And I have also gotten the cobalt bee. Where's it? Yeah, right here. I've also gotten the stars and stripes. No, I don't want it. Also, the pollen trim bees. And I have a lot of stuff I don't remember of. But I've gotten lots of tickets from grinding a lot. And so the special with our Crimson Bee and Cobalt Bee. So let's go ahead and wait for them to spawn one. So if you have Cobalt Bee, so it only spawn a blue line. But since I have both, we'll spawn both. And it's just some of the line leaping all over your red bees. If it's a red one, it leaps all over your red. If it's a blue one, it leaps all over your blue. Well, you may be asking, well, so what would that do? Well, it collects pollen all around it, which is extremely good since it spawns in a bunch. At first, I thought a whole different thing, yeah. But guys, guess what? We are almost done with Star Journey 1. That's the part I'm gonna about. Now, real quick, I collect 25,000 pollen collect 25,000 white pollen, 10,000 from the pumpkin, 5,000 from the pineapple, 2,000. This is millions. 2,500,000 from the dandelion, 1,000,000 goo, 5,000 haste tokens, 100 honey tokens, 10 giant ants, and 5 werewolves. We're not done yet, but we'll be done very soon. So, there we go. I'm not doing this vicious speed because screw it. Doing the video. Actually, I'm gonna go in there after I complete this. I'm going in there right now. Alright, so I'm gonna do this real quick with all these other people. And it's going down. For sure. Rage. Alright, yeah, he's definitely down. Oh yeah. Give me a pretty good amount of honey. Actually, it didn't. Not very much honey. Oh yeah, I forgot. Today, I have also gotten the silver sprinklers. The thing I like about is that it comes out faster and you can spawn too. That's like the only actual difference. But still is. You can spawn too. That's still super good. Oh, here's the face. The face is like worth it. Is it gonna shoot out bubbles? Okay, it shoots out bubbles, and if you get over them, you will get honey, sometimes tickets, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. So that's why they're really good. And he spawns randomly on random things. Ooh, ticket. Oh, he's gone. We are almost done. I was gonna do this before, but then I thought, why not do it when I'm already doing it? Yeah. So, we have, almost there. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just spinning my character around. Let's do this. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna do something. Wait. Oh god, I just thought I was hearing stuff. But if you can hear the music in the background, I'm pretty sure you can't. Wait, no, wrong way. Oh, Nat, here we come. Oh, there it is. Beast Run Streaming is my first Roblox game. I use this excuse every time I run into problems. If I was a little more experienced, I bet this area would be done by now. You're lucky I'm not. You get to do these quests. Plus 25 apple, 10 tickets, plus 25 pineapple, plus 10 tickets, plus 1,000 treats, plus 25 royal jelly, plus 5 million honey. That was good. Star Journey 2. That is a big one. But guys, tomorrow I probably am going to be making a video because today is October 7th and tomorrow and October 8th is tomorrow. So tomorrow there shall be an update. So I'm really looking forward to this update. Probably not very people realize that because they don't. I don't know why. They don't. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go this bear seedling and then yeah. So guys, alright. Link in the description below. I've gotten no links yet, but once I get me mother bear, my star trait from mother bear to get honeybee gifted, basic bee gifted, or puppy bee gifted. Basic bee gives you plus 20 pollen, 20% pollen for your whole hive. I already have this too, but still, that's pretty good. Honeybee gives you plus 250 conversation rate. That's pretty good. But puppy bee gives you plus 20% bond from trees. That's pretty good. I can't decide, so I just let you guys. So link in the description or comment down below or whatever to tell me which should I do. So I'm going to see if I can level up my demon bee. First things first, let's go with my treats. He barely even went up. He's barely even going up. You have to be kidding me. Screw it. Spending all our honey on treats. I don't care any no more. I have no honey. Alright. You have to be kidding me. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do a bunch of things to give us a bunch. Spider field. Go to Spider-Man. 4 times from Ferris wheel. That's really good. Alright. Let's go ahead and kill him. Get all this pollen. And then buy us a bunch of treats and then get him level 8. Fine. So we have 2 level 8 and then we'll need 1 more level 8. And then I'll need a bunch more level 8. That'll suck. And a bunch more level 9. So yeah. This is gonna be a little bit of a problem. Problemo. Alright, so let's go and spend money. Got treats. How much do I have? 128. That probably isn't gonna be enough. Let's still see, and yes! That's exactly enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button and just smash it. Smash it! I smacked my desk. So if you guys did like it, comment down below. Oh, if I should get the honeybee, puppy bee, honeybee, puppy bee, or basic bee. So comment down below what should I do. So see you in the next video.